Well, I hope you all have had an amazing Thursday. The weather in our area over the last several days has just been absolutely incredible with abundant sunshine every single day and temperatures topping out in the 80s. And today was no different. Here's a look at a view that we saw just a few hours ago from our Earth camp located in downtown Myrtle Beach. Perfectly calm seas with not a single cloud in the sky. Just an amazing day, to say the least. And that's going to be the exact same case heading into your Friday as well. Upper 70s to around 80s right along the immediate coastline, mid 80s as you head further inland where you don't have that direct influence that is from the sea breeze. So a very warm and pleasant day to say the least under abundant sunshine. Now, while the weather has been great in our area over the last several days, it has been a completely different story across parts of Oklahoma and Kansas after a very strong line of storms came through last night and dumped a ton of rain, baseball-sized hail, and also a few strong tornadoes that unfortunately have taken the lives of 4 people. My hearts go out to all of you who lost a loved one. And that same storm is currently working throughout parts of the Midwest, Mississippi Valley, and even central and eastern parts of Texas. Now, this ridge of high pressure has been dominating us over the last several days. That's why it has been so nice in our area. But come Saturday, this exact cold front will be heading into our area, and that will bring us a chance for some severe weather. And here's a look at our severe weather outlook as we head into your day on Saturday. The Storm Prediction Center has put us under a 2 out of 5 risk on the SPC scale, and this is primarily for sections east of I-95 and pretty much for the whole entire eastern half of our area. And I do believe that our main threat will be in between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. on Saturday, once again, primarily east of I-95. As far as our main threats go, I really am only thinking that we're going to be seeing a few isolated damaging wind gusts. Our tornado risk is extremely low considering there's just not that much wind shear or wind energy in the atmosphere, and that's what we typically look for in order for tornadoes to form. And while we do have a little bit of instability or storm field, there's just not a lot of wind shear in our atmosphere, and that's kind of limiting our tornado threat. But once again, it doesn't hurt to be prepared, God forbid we do get a tornado warning. And the best way I have of telling you to get a tornado warning is to download our WPDE weather app. Whether you have an iPhone, a Google phone, or a Samsung phone, you can always get it. Just head to your app store or whatever store you have on your phone and search up WPDE WX. Make sure that your location is turned on and you also have your notifications turned on, whether it's a tornado warning, a severe thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm watch, tornado watch, or any other sort of weather advisory, watch, or warning. They will notify you immediately. So it's a great app to have on your phone. But enough talk about that. Let's time out all these storms right now on our future radar. Starting this out around 7 a.m. in the morning. This model really isn't showing it, but I do expect there to be a few isolated pop-up thunderstorms throughout the majority of the morning. Really, it's not going to be a scattered event by any means. It's going to be kind of a hit or miss. If you see one, great. If you don't see one, oh well. And that'll be the exact same case throughout your lunch hours, while the main activity is across parts of the upstate and the Midlands as well. Let's head towards your 3 o'clock hour. The majority of our eastern half of our area is rain-free, but we now have a line of showers and thunderstorms forming across the border belt down through Laurinburg, that is, Bennettsville, Darlington, Florence, west of Johnsonville, near Manning, Sumter, and Hartsville. So pretty much the western half of our area will be getting rain at this time. Let's bypass that towards your 4, 5, and 6 o'clock hour, and you'll notice the western half of our area is starting to dry out, while the eastern half of our area from Lumberton down through Dillon, Marion, the whole entire coastline of our area, and also southeastern parts of North Carolina, you're now getting into that storm threat with a very small chance of an isolated damaging wind gust and an extremely low risk of a tornado. Thankfully, this is all in and out of here by around 7 o'clock in the afternoon, so thankfully you don't have to worry about any thunder keeping you from heading to bed. So here's a look at your rain chances throughout the whole entire weekend. Very scattered for your Saturday morning. Those rain chances bump up to a 60% chance for your Saturday afternoon, and they go down a little bit for your Saturday evening, but still a little bit elevated. Thankfully, as we head into your Sunday, those rain chances go back to 0, and we are left with a gorgeous rest of our weekend. And if you plan on doing any house hunting this weekend, the forecast looks great for your Sunday. This icon should be a partly sunny icon. I forgot to change that. We're not expecting any sort of rain for your Sunday. But once again, a very nice Sunday to say the least, with partly sunny skies all day long. Temperatures starting out in the upper 50s, warming up into the upper 60s. For your Saturday, small chance of rain. For your morning, we remain dry throughout the first half of your day with those scattered showers and thunderstorms arriving for your 4, 5, and 6 o'clock hour. Temperatures starting in the upper 60s, warming up into the lower 70s as we head into your afternoon. Here's a look at your extended forecast throughout our whole entire area, and another amazing weather day is ahead as we head into your day tomorrow with temperatures topping out in the upper 70s to around 80. We stay dry for the first half of your day on Saturday before those scattered showers and maybe even some thunderstorms as well arrive for the second half of your day. That cold front drops us down into the upper 60s for your Monday and Tuesday while we remain dry before our next system arrives on Wednesday. And that'll be the exact same case as you head further inland as well. Lots of sunshine for your Friday before showers and thunderstorms arrive on Saturday. Keep it here at Leem's Weather for all of the latest information.